Hello and welcome. In this lecture, I'll be explaining some basic PHP string functions. What is a string? A string is a sequence of characters like hello world and so on. And a string is always enclosed in quotes, which can be either single or double quotes, but you can't mix the quotes. A function is a piece of code that does something specific. So let's take a look at some basic string functions in PHP. I'll start with the strlen, which is used to get the length of a string. So in my example here, we are returning the length of a string called hello world. And you can see the function here has returned 12. That means the characters in this hello world is 12. The next function I want to explain is used to count the number of words in a string. And the function is called str_word_count. So it counts the number of words in a string. So in my example here, you can see I've got an output of 2 because I've got 2 words, hello and world. The next function I want to explain is used to reverse a string. So it is called strrev. So let's take a look at an example. So you can see in the example here, it has reversed the string hello world. Basically, it's turned the characters of the words upside down. So that's what we get now. So if you want to reverse characters or words, you use the strrev string function. The next function I want to explain is a function that you can use to search for a specific text within a string. So the function is called strpos. What happens is if a match is found, the function returns the character position of the first match. If no match is found, it will return false. So let's take a look at an example. So in the example here of the function, you can see that it's returned an output of 6. That's because the first character position in a string is position 0. Okay, so hence it's giving an output of 6. So if you count the characters from 0, 1, so that will tell you that it tells you that this is the word we're trying to find. We're doing the search. So we're saying that this word world inside hello world